medicine wey carry come from obodo oyibo, e pack all of the throway say by faith. Yes, it's good to believe in God, to have faith, but throw your medicine no be so Bible take talk am. Bible no say make you throw away your medicine. Take your medicine and still have faith that this medicine wey I take so e go heal me and the miracle will come. I hope this video will help a lot of people, especially my African brothers and sisters. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. This is your first time you just didn't get post for YouTube, you just come across this our channel. Please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I put video here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless. For this our channel na tori, now we dey talk and na pidgin English we dey talk our tori. We not just there to talk. We are here to say a story that will save life, that will change life, that will also change situation of things. If you share this video, you are going to save someone today. I just want to share this story with us so that we go learn from inside, and especially we Africans, we dey do this thing where we dey fall for inside this trap where and I thank one of our lovely sister when we say now she bring this story come after we make that story of hepatitis, when I talk about that lady when the husband get hepatitis. So she watched that video, then she called me, then she come say she want to share this story with everybody, that he believes say it will still help someone, it will still save life. So my people, this particular lady, there be two friends, she and her friend. She say her friend, then nobody for their center where they go take their medicine, because they know where they whether na therapy or medicine where they take every day. Both of them can't become friends because they can't discover say they get issue and they get the same problem. So anytime that they go, they see themselves, that they call themselves one-on-one from phone, see they discuss life. So one day, now she come dey tell her friend say she want go Nigeria, she want see if she fit really treat herself and take good care of herself. Her friend come say she go still go too, but she want go one church wey be one pastor, but she not make sure the name of the pastor for me. But the name of the pastor, not really dey important, because not only that pastor they do, and many they do, and for all of us to just be careful, you understand. That her friend come tell her say she want go meet this pastor wey be prophet, say if they do miracle, if they perform miracle, she don't even use her koro eye to see miracle when be say the pastor do. She herself that they save money when she want to go see that pastor, may pray for her so that she will get a healing. And this particular lady, she can't say she no want go any pastor side, because she don't hear about fake miracle, arranging miracle, that she get one native way when she want to go do her own. But the way this her friend can't talk about the pastor, now she can say okay, may she go try. She not can just follow that native way. Both of them, they can't gather money, they can't plan to spend like 2 to 3 months for Nigeria before they'll come back to Europe again. When they gather money, when they can't gather money, they actually buy tickets the same time. They go house, they go this particular church. So when they reach the church, they can't ask, they say what will be their problem. They can't say now the same problem they carry, they come. Then they can't say whether they believe, whether they get faith, say God go fit heal them. They say they believe and they know say God go fit heal them. After they pray for them, they can't say may they come out, may they can't thank God, they can't thank God. Then she come they tell say no, may she felt dey okay first before she will thank God. Now they come tell and say why she dey doubt, may she believe, say she don't dey okay. Then she just do small thanksgiving for the church. They come tell them say make they go do test for that sickness, that they'll see say e not dey their body again. Now they come say okay, they will go do. She was so happy. Now so both of them they come comot. They say as they come out for inside the church premises, now there one woman come waka come meet them. That woman come, they tell, they say I was really shocked for our testimony today, for the thanksgiving one I do today. I really thank God that God really dey exist to know. Do my just come they make friend with them. That woman come, they say whether they no go do test, go do the test to see whether the something still dey their body. Now they say they will do, say but they want me the fair chance first before they will do the test. That woman say no, make they just do and say go dey important so that they'll just know their faith, you know. Do my come they press, then they press, you know, Now they come say, okay, she actually agree, but the second be not agree. Now she can't tell the second say, no, but we just do this because the second it get what she want really still do. Apart from say they want still come church come pray for their sickness. You might come actually book appointment with them for the next day to go one lab. Say everything will do okay. That lab now professional and all that. Now aspect of the church, you're even near the church at all. So actually they can't go when they can't reach their results can't come out, and when the results come out, it can't be said they don't get the sickness again. With that joy, with that happiness, they can't be happy. They can't come back to the church again. Can't bring the receipts come out. This story where they talk, so many people don't see it for television because they say it's still come out for television. They can't bring their results come and say they don't hear this and this that. No, they can't. They happy. Say so this sickness not in their body again. Now the pastor come tell they say yes, say it not in their body. Say their faith don't make them heal. Actually, our friend come they tell the pastor say maybe say they don't wear, they don't heal. So make they still continue to they take their medication. The pastor come tell they say if their faith really strong and they know say they believe say they don't heal, why don't they take medication? But it not just say they say make they throw away. But now so it put the word. Actually now they can't happy, they can't come up for them. Then they can't go back to their houses and they see they call each other for phone. Our own friend for inside just pack all our medicine. He just go through. He saying believe say indoor he. Why she herself, she not throw away her own, but she not take her own. She can't keep her own for one place or they can't give their water, they can't give the anointing oil, they can't give the handkerchief. They say this water made they drink and made they make sure say this water no finish and made they use anointing oil, say it go really help them well. After some time then she come say make she still call this her friend. He can't they call the number not they go. He can't call. He can't say the number not they go. He can't say about never reach how they want say come out. Why this lady not call? Then she can't try again one day. When she can't call, now her sister now pick say she dey sick. He say what did they do when she dey sick? Say just say maybe not changing of weather and weather just still hold on like that. Not to say the thing don't serious well. They don't admit her for hospital. Now she can't say make she go visit her for hospital. When she reach there, sister not be sister again. If you see the way she can't be like small pikin for bed. Because they say what did happen when you can't be like this? So she can't dey follow her friend, they quarrel. Say why you throw away your medicine? Why you not take your medicine? That's why you take your medicine. Your condition for not strong like this. You understand? So now there, now the sisters for can't hear what happen. The relative of the woman, now they can't say what happen. Now she can't explain to them, say see what happen. Now they say say now the pastor now cause they can't carry fight go the church. Go they follow members and the pastor they fight for such church say make it can't do their sister, say their sister they die for hospital, make it can't deliver her, make it can't pray for her for hospital. Then the pastor say no, they go say Holy Spirit not lead them to go there go pray. The family begin they fight for inside the church. You understand? So who you go blame? Who you go blame? You go blame the pastor or you go blame the woman or the family wey carry fight go the church or the pastor wey pray for them for the beginning wey say they don't heal. I be the woman wey carry hand throw away in medicine. Who you go blame for inside? But before they say make they come they try to revive her, and it can't be like say it can't cause too much damages for her body. She can't sick totally the sickness self. It can't turn to another thing. Whether they can't pull her though, whether now because they stop medication, whether now that one can't happen, nobody know. But actually she stopped medication and the thing can't really serious. Before you know it they happen. This her friend when they gather come up for Obodo Ibo say that they go house for visits. And so it pass her. She not come back. She not come back. Now there she run. Come start to they take her medication. When she don't shock it for inside bag. Even she before she even started to take her, the thing don't even they damage something for her body. When she come back, when she go for a test, then they come tell her say why she stop medication for some time. That the thing now, the sickness wey be say e dey go damage important parts for person body. That the thing don dey chop some kind part for her body. But thank God say she quick come back, she can't change ticket, she can't quick come and she can't begin start her medication to take. Then she can't dey happy, but she can't see dey sad say her friend wey both of them dey muyo mure not come. because she stopped her medication. When she come go do test, the something still there, e no comot. The thing there, e no comot. That she come dey imagine say that lab wey dem go do their own test, wey dem say the something no dey there again, how come the thing come be like that? You understand? Wey be say that lab come talk say dem no get, and now when she don come back come do am, the thing still dey there. So all these things na arrange. Na make she bring am come say make everybody be careful, because some people although they sick, they no like to take medication, they no like to go hospital, they no like to follow up. They feel say with prayers they go well. Fine, with prayers person go well, but first of all, go to hospital, take your medication. Very, very important. God give doctors brain so that they do the treating, while they do the healing. Because now one thing say you dey take medicine, now another thing say the healing dey come, your body dey respond to the treatment. Now that one be the miracle wey dey. But many people don't know that. They think say maybe you're just dey sick now, the pastor just lay hand on you, just pray for you, instantly you just well, you no go hospital, you no take medicine. Now that one be miracle. Fine, that one fit dey exist. But the most important thing now for you to go hospital, take your medication, then your body respond to it, and God can heal you. Now that one be the miracle when it dey for inside. Some people go get headache, common headache. Instead of them to take medicine, they go dey calabash. They don't say make you not pray, but still take your medication, because not be everybody when they take medication now a body they respond to medication. So as far as say you dey take medication, your body they respond to the medication, God don't heal you be that. Now healing be that one. You go do operation, you come out successfully for inside that operation. Now the miracle be that. You go labor room, you go born, whether an operation, whether an normal, you see your hairs come out. Now the miracle be that. But many people know they think say now that one be the miracle. Even if say you dey sick, you go meet pastor say you dey sick, may they pray for you. Yes, Bible talk and say if person dey sick, may elders gather together, may they pray for the person, that the person go well. But Bible not say may you not take your medicine. Bible not say may you not go hospital or go see doctor, because doctor they don't carry their brain come. Now God now give them the brain. If God no say you feel your pray, all the healings go come. Then we for not get hospital now, we for not get doctors now. But African people, they take her in another way. That's why you see many pastors, many Christians, they just they die like fowl, because they know they take anything medical something serious. Their own now to just they pray. God now create those medical things, now give them the brain. God still want us to they visit that side and they pray. That's why He create them. If not create them. So I hope this video will teach people sense. We Africa, we be say we carry Christianity to another thing. We carry Christianity to another level. Fine, Christianity is good, but Christianity not say may you not take care of yourself. Christianity not say may you not visit your doctor, or may you not go hospital. You will see some pastors now, if they sick, they know they fit tell their members say that they sick. If they sick, they not shame, not they let them talk say that they go hospital because of what they don't preach. So when you don't preach something when you're not supposed to preach, when the thing that they come for you to come say you they go hospital or they go see doctor, you can't be shame, because you don't tell them say doctor not the heal na God, but now God now create the doctor. So for you to come say you they go, you'll see so all these big pastors that they hide, they can't take treatment for Obodo Igbo. If they want to take treatment for Obodo Igbo, they can't lie, say that they can't program. But because of this Okoro drivers enter house, program not the two happen again. So what they say they lie, you know, many of them they chop amala and pepper soup for inside house. They just they chop amala and garlic and ginger for inside house. Because now Obodo Igbo that the country that say, okay, what is they want to do for Obodo Igbo? You know they come for program, and only program they believe say that they come for, they can come for treatments. You see am. So we wey be say na we be the members wey dey for inside, so don't let anybody deceive you. When you are sick, go to hospital, take medicine, visit your doctor. Very very important. Don't let any pastor or man of God deceive you. Never even go hospital go ask say wetin dey do you. You just dey calabash. First of all, you go hospital. Now when doctor come say they don't see any trace of anything for your body, for them you are okay, then you know say something they do you, then you go and calabash. Then you start your prayers. You calabash way from the coin na spiritual. Very very important. And I tell this our sister when bring this matter come, use not to tell us say may we not let anybody deceive us. See that our friend now, all medicine wey carry come from obodo ibo, he pack all of the throwaway say by faith. Yes, it's good to believe in God, to have faith, but throw your medicine. Don't be so Bible take talk am. Bible don't say make you throw away your medicine. Take your medicine and still have faith that this medicine wey I take, so it go heal me and the miracle will come. I hope this video will help a lot of people, especially my African brothers and sisters. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave your comment down there. Your comment is very very important. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will save life, that will change life, that will also change situation of things. If you share this video, you are going to save someone today. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video here. And remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao, ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.